Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello everyone! Today, I am showing you how to draw and color a beautiful Christmas tree step by step. Let's begin! First, I pick up a marker pen and start drawing the tree trunk. Then, I draw the full tree shape, giving it a nice, fluffy look.
Yeah!
At the top, I add a bright star to make it festive. Next, I draw 3 curved wreath shapes across the tree. After that, I add some Christmas decorations like balls, bells, and candy canes. Now, I color it to bring it to life. I use a cyan shade for the tree, making it stand out.
That's amazing.
The star shines bright in yellow.
Whoa!
I color the wreaths red and add red stripes to the candy cane. For the bells, I choose light orange, and for the Christmas balls, I mix red, blue, and yellow to give them a vibrant look.
Whoa!
Finally, I color the tree trunk with a bright orange shade. To finish it off, I use a black marker to go over the lines and highlight the drawing, giving it a sharp and clean look.
So cute.
And there you have it, a colorful and festive Christmas tree is ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.